Hi and welcome to a new video. My name is EcombyNik and today we will do a 72-hour dropshipping challenge. Why 72 hours? That's because I'd run my product test for 72 hours for 3 days. So I thought that would be a good time limit for this test or this challenge. And I'm really excited. This is my first dropshipping challenge on the channel, so it will be really cool. So what do we need to do? We need to find a product. Of course, that's the first step. Then we need to validate the product. We need to find our customer. And then we need to do the product page, the branding, and we need to do some ads, and we need to run them for a test, of course. And I will reveal everything in this challenge, of course. I will reveal the product, depending on how it goes. If it goes really well or if it goes bad, I will still reveal the product for you. I will really reveal all the data. And I will also be totally honest with you. I recorded this video like many times now. I started 3 days ago, of course, and everything, and started recording this video. But somehow the files disappear on me. I had some problem with CapCut. I don't know if you had the same problem. It's not being nice to me right now. So I need to record this after the challenge is done. But we will check all the data. I will do this like a 72-hour dropshipping challenge anyway, but I'm recording this after, so you know. Okay, let's just jump into it. So what do we need to do? 72-hour dropshipping challenge. We will go on PP ads and we will find a trending product. And that I had already done like in an earlier video on the channel. So I had a product in mind for this challenge. And that was this rosemary hair serum. I found that on PP ads in one of my earlier videos, like I said. You can go check that out where I reveal 5 winning products for this fall. And we found it on AliExpress. And what was I looking for? I was looking for in US and UK for a trending product. I was looking for something that was trending the last 3 days and have over 1,000 impressions. I was looking for something that solves a problem because it's easier to dropship. Of course, when we are dropshipping, we are selling on impulse buys. You don't need always to sell, of course, a problem-solving product, but it's much easier because we are selling on impulse buys. We want the customer to buy directly from our store. We don't want them to check it out, go from the store, and then come back in 3-4 days to buy when they thought about it. We want to present with a great offer and a product that is really playing on their emotions and solving the problem. And what was the problem? When I was looking at all the videos and trying to validate the product, a lot of people were selling this for women who lose their hair after getting a baby or after pregnancy. It was a lot of competition. So I needed to do something different with this product, and I thought it was the product has a broader market. So I rebranded this product. We went from this to this, and I will explain why. I went for men instead for women, and I target men with who want a fuller beard or their hairline. That's why I also choose to rebrand it a little bit darker, a little bit more masculine. I wanted to present the product more masculine. And I changed the market to Sweden. I am from Sweden, but this is what I often do. When I find a trending product in UK or US, I change the market to a smaller country like Netherlands, Denmark, Sweden, because it's much easier to get traction, of course, to get cheaper CPMs on Meta and things like that, to get it started. I changed it this time to Sweden, but if you don't know the language or something like that, ChatGPT can really help you, of course. Before, it was much more difficult to translate your website, but nowadays it's quite easy with AI tools like ChatGPT or Shopify have also apps like Translate app. You translate it by yourself via AI tool, and then you go on Fiverr and pay someone very small fee to just check over the site. So it's perfect. No, I didn't need to do that because I am Swedish, so I know Sweden. Yes, so that was what we will do. And we will jump into it directly. So I started talking to ChatGPT and I uploaded the product. They did this for me. It was really, really good, but this isn't the product. So we can fake the picture a little bit, but not too much, not to change the total color and everything. The customer will be angry if they get it and it doesn't look like this. So I said, you need to do it like it looks. It didn't do that one more time, so I had to speak a little bit with it. Wrong color again. Now we're getting here. I did some more pictures with it. I did some cool branded pictures, and we went for our ICP, and ChatGPT helped me to do the copywriting for the product page. And here is the product page. I put some videos, of course, here to demonstrate that there is a demand of the product, to build some trust that people are using it. I had the before and after, a GIF. I really wanted to show this product in use. And here we have the benefits. We have a great offer that we will talk about. Why choose us? Some reviews, some FAQs, and then the call to action below. And our offer on this one was quite easy because I talked to my agent and we got this quite cheap from China. So what I did was I do one of my favorite offer. I do a single one with full price or discounted a little bit, 33%, of course, and with shipping. And then buy 2 get 3 with free shipping, and buy 3 get 5. And I build this store with the Shrine theme. That's my favorite theme to build my stores on. If you want to try Shrine, I get an affiliate link below where you get 15% off, like you see here. So that's a great offer if you want to try out Shrine. You can of course build this without, but it's easier with the Shrine theme. You have everything in the theme, so it's very easy to build. And if you want to try PP ads, I also have an affiliate link to PP ads with the best offer they have right now, so you can check that out below the video also. So the first day of this product test was the 26th of September. So I put the 26th of September. I run Advantage Plus CBO on Meta for $50 a day. And I had 5 different ads, 5 video ads. And it was totally open. I was not targeting only men. I target men and women, and it was totally open. So Meta will find my customer anyway, especially in a small country like Sweden. So the first day I got 2 conversions, and we have 0.89 in ROAS. So it was 2 small purchases. And if we go on my store, we see that it says 6 conversions. But it's because I have one other product on the store. So it was 2 on this product. And the next day, if you go for the next day, it escalated a little bit on the next day. So we got back 2.82 in ROAS, we got 3 sales, and that's of course because someone bought a bigger package, like buy 3 get 5. And what I have seen now, if you take both the days here, it's one ad that bringing all the sales. What I did the second day was that I closed these 2 ads because they had spent $26 and they hadn't bought in anything. So I closed that, and this was below 1% the CTR, so I closed this one too. And we have 3 orders. So this day my other product didn't sell anything. It was only this that I had the 3 sales. And what I did for day 3 of the challenge was the last day. It was actually yesterday. I bumped the budget to $100 because it had almost 3 in conversion rate. And I think I did that a little bit too early because I got back 0.58 in and 2 sales. So I did it a little bit too early, but it's all okay. And you see, it's the same ad that bringing all the sales still. So actually what we will do like this. We spend $200, we get back 1.15 in ROAS, and we get back 7 sales of this 72-hour dropshipping challenge. And actually what I will do now is that I have a rule. When it's over 1% ROAS, I keep the ads going for 1 more day. So I will keep this store for today also. And I would see tonight if we get any more sales or conversions. and I will update you later if we get any more sales. And we still see it's only ad 5 that has some sales. And if you get over 1% today also, then I will create 3 to 5 new ads that's similar to ad 5 here, and I will put them in the same campaign, and I will kill the other ads, and I will try to keep this going, and I will try to get up the ROAS to over 2%. So 7 sales, spend $200, everything is correct. Now, some sales here are from the other product, like I said, so I will not say that we are profitable yet on this product. We had lost a lot, say $80 to $100 on this test. So, but I think we have found something, because also when I was talking about what angle I want to use to sell this product, this ad 5 is the only ad that shows this in use on beard. The other one is for hair. So I will do, like I said, 3 to 5 new ads when you see like UGC, they're using it on the beard, and see because that's the one that bringing all the sales. So a little bit different video today. It didn't become the dropshipping challenge I wanted, because my video files got deleted or something. But I wanted to do this video anyway, because I thought it was some really good facts in it, how you can rebrand a product. You can take a trendy product from one market, move it to another market, and also change the customer's avatar, change the ICP you are targeting very easily. So that's something I wanted to show you. And you see that we got over 1% in ROAS, so I will keep this product going a little bit more. I will focus even more on my ICP, on the problem I wanted to target and show the customer. In this case, to use this product on your beard to get your beard growing a little bit faster and get more fuller beard. So that was all for this video, and like I said, I have released a video where I find 5 new winning products for this fall. I included this product, so go check that out. And if you want to learn more about e-com, dropshipping, finding your next winner, and building your website, go from testing to micro-branding to branding to building your brand and to scale your brand, especially now when Q4 is around the corner and this is golden time for dropshipping and e-com. So if you want to get a little bit of quick start, go to EcombyNik.com. I have just released the complete e-com blueprint, where you right now get lifetime access to the course. And this will be your guidance and your help to don't fall into the traps with e-com and dropshipping. So if you just follow this course, you will find your winner. I'm almost sure of that if you really put in the work. So go check that out, and I will see you in the next video.